Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more financial insights. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Please remember that this video reflects my personal experience and shouldn't be taken as financial advice. Deciding between JPMorgan Chase and Goldman Sachs hinges on your specific financial needs. Both are titans in the global finance arena, but they cater to distinct client bases and offer specialized product suites. Let's break down their core strengths to help you determine which institution aligns best with your financial goals. JPMorgan Chase operates as a universal bank, providing a comprehensive array of services to a diverse clientele, ranging from individual consumers and small businesses to large corporations and institutional investors. Their offerings span the spectrum, from fundamental checking and savings accounts to credit cards, mortgages, and auto loans. For everyday banking and general business requirements, Chase's vast branch network, intuitive mobile app, and robust customer support make it a compelling choice. Furthermore, their credit card portfolio is widely regarded as one of the industry's best, boasting attractive travel rewards and cashback incentives that resonate with a wide range of customers. Entrepreneurs and expanding businesses also find value in Chase's adaptable lending options, comprehensive cash management resources, and convenient merchant services. Goldman Sachs, conversely, has historically been recognized as a premier investment bank, specializing in providing high-level advisory services, underwriting, and wealth management solutions to large corporations, institutional investors, and ultra-high-net-worth individuals. While Goldman Sachs has recently broadened its consumer offerings through Marcus, its online banking platform, its primary focus remains on investment management, mergers and acquisitions advisory, and sophisticated wealth strategies. For investors seeking access to advanced financial products, global market insights, and personalized wealth management solutions, Goldman Sachs stands out. While Marcus offers competitive savings and loan products online, it lacks the comprehensive, full-service consumer banking network that Chase provides. In summary, if your priorities include convenient day-to-day banking, consumer lending options, a robust credit card selection, or adaptable small business services, JPMorgan Chase is likely the more suitable choice. However, if you are an investor or corporation seeking premium advisory services, complex investment strategies, or bespoke wealth management solutions, Goldman Sachs may be the better partner. Carefully evaluate your financial goals, the complexity of your financial profile, and your desired level of personalized guidance before determining which of these financial giants best aligns with your objectives.